Daniel Boudreau here from naturalmattressfinder.com, and this video today is about the number one reason why you should choose a natural latex mattress over a polyurethane mattress. So the reason is quite simple. It's durability and comfort. So I'm making this video from an Airbnb here that I'm renting for a couple of days, and let me show you the mattress that is in the room. It's a very lofty mattress. I would say it's about a 14-inch mattress, if not. It's probably about 14 inches. It's very thick. It's one of these pillow top mattresses. So everything looks great except for the surface, and right there, even without me demonstrating with a straight edge here, it's just a shower curtain bar. You can see that it's lumpy and it's falling apart basically. So here's the straight edge. It's basically a shower curtain. So if you want to do this test at home, just take a broomstick or a shower curtain pole and you will be able to do this test. So right here, this is where it's problematic, and you will see right here, I'm putting my finger under this pole here, and you can see that there is a lot of space under the shower pole. So it's about, I would say it's about it's over 2 inches. And it's basically collapsed here in the middle, so that makes it that when you're sleeping right in the middle, it feels like you're sleeping in a ditch. Also here, there's a lot of, I'll put my hand behind here because it's kind of hard to tell with the pattern. So it's very lumpy. The top layer is probably made of low density foam, so this is very plush, but it tends to not last very long. I mean, this is something that can be very comfortable in a store when you're trying it out, but in practice, once you use it for a bit and you'll be sleeping more or less in the same area, it will break down very fast. It won't be able to regain its shape. So right here in the middle, this is the worst part here, and yeah, that's probably there. So it's focused on that. The rest of the mattress on the edges is not too bad. As you can tell here, there's not too much space behind the pole, only a tiny bit in the middle here, but in the middle of the mattress, that is where it's at its worst, right there. So this is a typical polyurethane mattress. It looks very impressive because of the thickness, but as you can tell, the mattress, it looks quite new. I would say that it's under 2 years old. But it's gotten a lot of use, but just regular use. I mean, regular use is just somebody simply sleeping on it every night. But you can tell very obviously that top layer that is made of low density foam, and I would probably assume that it's like the egg crate type foam, which makes a very lofty surface at first, but it just does not regain its shape. So if you want to avoid this type of sagging that you find in a polyurethane mattress, I suggest you switch to a natural latex mattress. The reason being that the comfort layer will, instead of polyurethane foam, it will be made of natural latex foam. Natural latex is a completely natural product. It's from the sap of a rubber tree, and it's frothed up and baked into a foam. The foam is much more pressure relieving and comfortable than polyurethane. It's also a lot more breathable, and in this case, the reason why it's important is the durability. Basically, if you have a very lofty looking pillow top mattress like we have here, the top layer will be made of very low density polyurethane foam. That means that it will
feel great right in the beginning. You might try it out in the store. It will feel supremely comfortable. But as we see in this example with a relatively new looking mattress, it will fail very quickly. With a natural latex mattress, that comfort layer is made of natural latex foam, and the natural latex will last much longer. You won't have any sagging, any dipping, any valleys, any body impressions developing in your mattress.
So if you're looking for the condensed list of the best mattresses for 2022, and I have convinced you to not even look at polyurethane mattresses and to go with a natural latex mattress, which is non-toxic, very breathable, and most importantly, durable, head on over to the link that I will leave right here. I will also link it down below in the description. That is the 5 best natural latex mattresses for 2022. So I will see you over there. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you have a fantastic sleep tonight. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you on the next video.